Hi, this is Ralph Moss, and here's my video blog for February 1st, 2012. The FDA has approved the first drug for the treatment of advanced basal cell carcinoma, or a dangerous form of skin cancer. This drug is called Erivedge, and it's marketed by Roche and its American division Genentech. It's classified as a hedgehog inhibitor, which is the first in a new class of drugs to be used against cancer. There have been a couple of clinical trials of Erivedge, and it's pretty effective against aggressive basal cell carcinomas. In one study from Detroit last year, 19 out of 33 cases had shrinkage of tumors, and there's also evidence of some preliminary evidence of activity in a kind of brain cancer. So it's an exciting development. There's a couple of things to note. One is that in the Erivedge BCC trial, there was a response rate of 43% of patients who had locally advanced basal cell carcinoma and 30% of patients with metastatic basal cell carcinoma. The median duration of response was 7.6 months. A couple of negatives are that the drug has a fairly high rate of side effects, some of them rather severe or serious. About 37% of patients in the Detroit trial showed these side effects. In addition, the company is setting the price very high. It's $7,500 a month for this pill. Typically, the patient requires a 10-month course of treatment, so that comes to $75,000, which is the median wealth of, if you will, of a great many people in the United States, not to mention abroad. So the other thing is watch out for the fact that we don't have any long-term data on this. So what we don't know is whether or not this actually leads to increased survival in patients who take the treatment. This is a typical picture now for new anti-cancer drugs. Activity, yes. Shrinkage of tumors, yes. Very high price and uncertainty about the long-term effects. But if you are suffering from basal cell carcinoma, it's certainly something to discuss with your oncologist or with your dermatologist. So for ralphmossblog.com and cancerdecisions.com, this is Ralph Moss.